this waterfall has been on my list of places to see for years now. And I saw it last summer briefly, but it was like 108 degrees when I was here. And I was on a motorcycle, so all I could think about was keep moving. So I didn't even come down here. I didn't come down this trail. I just looked at the waterfall from the top. But you miss half the waterfall at the top. So you have to hike down here in order to get this shot that everybody gets to this waterfall. How cool is that? Hey, quick PSA. Don't be an asshole. Nobody wants to see your orange peel in this beautiful, beautiful spot. Like really though. You carried the orange all the way down here, and then you're just gonna leave this here. It's ridiculous. You know what I mean? Like, that's not too much to ask. Orange peels, don't do it. Garbage. Please don't do it. We don't want to see out here. We don't want to come out here and see all that nonsense. We want to see that. Right? Right. Y'all feel me? It's amazing. I can't stop looking at it, even in the screen. So this used to be a hydroelectric dam. Kind of cool. The remnants of the power station are still here. I'm not here for this, so I'm not going to go all the way down there and explore that, but I'll leave that for next time, even though I'm already here, which is kind of ridiculous, but I got places to go today. Pretty cool that's here though. I'll definitely be checking that out in the future. You can see the dam up here, part of it. This little trail just comes down from my camp. Pretty nice access to the river. Check that out. Crazy, huh? Just beautiful.
Oh, I get blue in the morning, I get blue in the evening too. Yeah. I get blue in the morning time. I get blue in the evening too. If the evening come around too long, Lord have mercy, I get blue in the afternoon. Listening to the birds outside my window, I say, Lord, put a heart song on me, yeah. Listening to birds outside my window, I pray, oh Lord, put a heart song on me. They're waking up in the morning, they ain't blue, still they can sing.
So obviously I'm not sponsored, but and I tore the name off already, but this is Peak Refuel. Peak Refuel, and they're amazing. Like, from what I've found and what I've had, way better than Mountain House. I don't know. It's just better. It has a whole lot more calories. So essentially it's just tastes way better. You know what I mean? It's good. Speaking of good, gotta get fire going. Let me turn the light off. Hold on. Boom. It is amazing out here tonight. Like crystal clear skies. I just watched the moon set on the edge of the canyon above me here, and it blew my mind. I don't know if I've ever seen anything like that before. So the moon is just a very, very, very thin crescent moon tonight, right? And it's a tiny little sliver of light. But as soon as it got on the edge of that canyon wall, the sliver went behind it first. And I thought it was going to disappear. And as soon as it got behind the wall, it lit up the rest of the moon. It looked like a full moon. I can't even explain it. And I just put the camera away like 5 minutes prior. So I didn't have time. And it was moving as I was watching it. Like, it was moving very fast. And I just stood there with my jaw hanging out open like, is this really happening? Am I watching this? Am I tripping on something? It was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Pretty cool stuff. And then right now you can't see it probably in this phone. Nope, you can't see anything. It's just pitch black. Well, there's an airplane. You can see that. But I can see every star in the sky. It's unbelievable. I have the CVT UFO light over here, lighting this area up. Simply because it's kind of creepy over there. So, you know, a little security never hurts. This is definitely mountain lion country. So, safety first, kids. Safety first.